our past president and past area division governor, DTM Rao.
Thank you, Dr. Postmasters and distinguished guests, and my speaker, Postmaster Suresh in particular. So, how many of you completed 6 or 7 projects here? Okay, sizable hands. See, when you are coming to up to 8th project, I can say up to 6 projects, you don't have a freedom to choose your topic, isn't it? But this project 8 having liberty to choose topic and UST. When you are coming to the computer, I think the project is get comfortable with the visual aids. That is the project title in CC8. See, when you are coming to the visual aids, so what happens, there are a lot of benefits for visual aids, isn't it? See, whenever you are giving public speaking, so there are a lot of benefits for the visual aids. What are the benefits? It will increase the understanding, and it will save time, and it will enhance your retention, and also it will make sure that you have to have attentive, because when you are showing the PPT or whatever pictures. So these are the lot of benefits we have. And also one more benefit for the speaker, you can control the nervousness, because there are PPTs going on, people may observe there, they may not see speaker, so you can control the nervousness. So these are the benefits. And after saying the benefits, we have liberty to choose the visual aids. So how to choose the visual aids? Because facility what we have, and which audience you are going to target, and what are the time you have for preparation, and how much money can you spend for preparing what are visual aids and all those things. So these are the, we have liberty to choose. So having said that benefits and this thing, visual aids, now I am coming to the directly. Whenever you are giving project 8, because I like 3, I will evaluate only 3 points. One is design, second is display, third one delivery. So design is very, very important. I think in project 8 they have clearly told how you are going to design each and every slides. So what I saw is actually he has given a fantastic visuals, isn't it? The moment from, how many slides he has given? As an evaluator I have to count, but what about me? See, what I am saying is he is given total 16 slides. Slide number 1 to slide number last, it is around 16 slides. And every slide having visuals, lot of pictures. See, one picture shows 1,000 words, that is a proverb, isn't it? So fantastically is designed. So all 16 slides there is a connectivity, and he is go on giving the one by one, he is taking to us into the topic. So design is fantastic. I can give 10 out of 10 for design. And coming to the display, see, display there are 2 types. So one is your appearance. As a speaker, your appearance. Today all 3 speakers fantastic appearance I have seen right from the beginning, but I can rate him very nice because he came with a full shoot. And you can see how he has prepared for the speech. So the moment he coming with full shoot and standing in front of audience and giving delivery, so that means his appearance, confidence, everything is good. So design, display is slides. I think I am seeing that he is having pop and he is go on one by one. He never turn like this. He never show his back to the audience. That itself shows his excellent display. Delivery, because delivery I think I saw where he is presenting. I think he had experienced sales guy. So sales guys will do good presentation. So obviously display is good. But as an evaluator I have to say what are the areas of improvement. So I observed there are 3 areas of improvement you need to see. 16 slides for the 5 to 7 minutes, this is not appropriate. You would have gone 5 to 6 slides, and each slide you need to pause slowly and you have to take one idea and connect all the ideas. So that is the improvement you need to do. And second one, I think again you gave one Netherlands case study. You give location Netherlands, you give statistics, but you are not given reference. You would have given reference where you got that one. So that is the thing. And I think these 2 are my areas of improvement. And what I like about the speaker, preparation, appearance, confidence. I want to see him because he has given I think 2 years back one project, now he is coming there. I want to see you regularly, give good projects. All the best.